Hello, what's up, guys? In today's video, we are demonstrating one taxi application that is really cool functionality and cool user interface. So, without wasting your time, just click in this application and see what the feature inside this app. So, we have clicked this application and wow, this is showing our current position right now. And just zoom out more, zoom in. Yeah, I see two taxi are near me, but wait, it's not two taxi near me. One taxi is driver and one for me. So we are discussing it later, but you have to imagine that one taxi here is driver. Why I said one taxi is driver? Because the taxi application, because the driver application is installed in same phone. That's the reason the driver location are showing in current position. So don't be worried about that. You gonna install this driver application in another phone and another location, then you gonna see it on another place. So now see what the function of this application. Just like another app, it gives you the choose a departure and choose the destination, but here we write like where are you going. So don't be confused here. So on the upper search box, you just tap on the circular icon and your application will deducted a current position. So we are clicking on that and we are we see here that our current location is detected. And after that, you have to select your destination place, like where you want to go. So I want to go the junction, so we just click on junction, type here junction, Darbhanga. Okay. Okay, here we see like mobile section, but it show me like how much distance how much distance of your destination place, like 3.7 kilometer. And now one additional thing is here, like apart from your current position, is again asking like where is your exact location, means specify your exact location. So you need to specify your exact location, like uh, if you are near mall or you are near tower, some specific mark markup position, then you gonna write here, like we are right here near a tower, suppose that, or you are near a white building or a blue building, whatever you want, you are just right here. So we are just right here near tower and just uh, put here like how many people you want to travel, like I want to put here like 2 people. And after that select that nano. And now what happen after that, you are see here like which method you want to pay. So I have click on Roser Pay is fifth position. You can select on cash on delivery. If you don't believe on that application, then you just click on cash on delivery, don't pay first. So we are selecting the Roser Pay because I know that it is only for demo purpose. So just click on the driver. And one more feature here, like if you want to return with same cab, then tap this button, like in the same date and same cab, then you just click on that this button. That driver will understand that you want to return with same cab. So I don't want to return with same cab and same date, so we have to off it and just see our price, like how much cost should I pay this driver. So you have to see here like every detail of driver, like which brand of car of this driver, like nano car, model number is Gen X, NPDL320, like blah blah blah. And passenger like 2, means this is the capacity of passenger, but here he show like 130 rupees for your traveling cost. So we just click on order now, and it's redirect you on payment page. But it's not redirected me on payment page because we already save our payment method. That's the reason they are not redirected. But in your case, you just fill up all the card detail like your CVV number. If you want to pay with UPI, then you can go with that. If you want to pay with Paytm, then you can go with that. That is a normal method like other app, so you don't need to worry about that. So we just place our order. Now we check in driver side whether we got this order or not. So we just open the driver application and see what happened. So we need to refresh this page and let's see what happened. We get one new order, click on that, and after that we see that every information about that order, like where the user want to go, like mobile junction, and what is the current position of the user, like Chuna Bhatti Kangwala road, blah blah. So you gonna call that user clicking this phone icon, but I don't want to click it. I just confirm it and let's see what happen. After the confirming it, that user will be know that you are already confirmed that user, and you just click on that. You can click on start right button also, but I don't prefer right now because it react on the map page. That I don't want to demonstrate you, like it's wasting my time, but you gonna check it after that later. So we just click on that, and after clicking on that button, you just click on yes. And what happened here, it's showing you three tab like view path, start that, complete. But I want to show you here, like how does map will detect your destination place. So just click on a start right, and now your Google Map will be redirected to your destination path. It's attached
Head
with you,
south toward road number 6, then turn left onto
and it
road number
show
6.
you a really cool thing, like how you want to go your destination place. And you can see here, like Google Map will be direct you, like how does you go there. So we just off this Google navigation and come to the app page and just click this complete this order. And to complete this order, you just click on complete button and click on yes button. after clicking After clicking on yes button, just close this button. And what happened, you see on dashboard that your sale will be increased. Your sale will be increased today like 5 to 6, and here your earning will be also increased, and your completed order is 6. Before you order, like it's showing me 5 order and 5 sales, and after we success this order, it increases 6 sale and 6 completed. So you just see here. Now we check in user side, like our completed order. Yeah, it's showing like mobile Jackson here is latest one. It's completed right now. So it's a very cool user interface and very awesome user interface. You can rent on vehicle also. So it is also one bonus for user. You can, if you want to rent a vehicle, then you can easily do that. And one more feature here, like you can add a balance in your wallet, just like Paytm wallet or any other wallet. You can just put whatever you want, like 100 1000 rupees you want to add this wallet, so you can add this. But I don't want to show you right now, you already know that how does it work. And after that, one more button is here, like contact us. Contact us is very important for any kind of application, because if user get any troubles or any problem, then how does it connect to the company owner or any management post. So that we are very important to give the contact number. That's the reason we are give the contact tab. and where user can easily contact with company management or company bosses, whatever you say. So here is my number. If you need this application, you just WhatsApp me, and I will definitely give you best solution for you. So that's it, guys. And if you need any query, then you can contact on this number. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understand everything. And if you want, then just contact and don't delay, because it's a very big opportunity in today's scenario. You already know that everything is automated right now, and every business will be go on computer online, and they are capturing the customer and attracting the customer with technology. If you don't use the technology in today's scenario, your business will going to down and your sale will be decreases. That's the reason we suggest you that you need to automate your business using internet, mobile technology, or internet technology. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks.